Hello everyone, so today we're going to be unboxing the Google Home Mini. So anyways, change of scenery here. I'm at my desk, and we're going to unbox this. I've wanted this little thing for a while, so I have it now, and we're going to unbox it. This is the packaging. It's very simple. You can see the Google Home Mini there. Different apps that it's connected to. The top is very simple, really nothing there. And on the side there, it just shows you like some instructions of what you can do with the Google Home Mini. Alright, I moved stuff around a little bit, just so I have room to move and try to open this package. It's quite the interesting package. It's not something I've really seen before in tech products. It seems quite difficult, kind of like my iPod Touches. If you've ever had an iPod Touch, you'd know what I'm talking about. The packaging is like a whole new language. But we're gonna get into it somehow. I thought at first... Okay, it's not actually as hard as I thought to open. It's just the, like, soft plastic that you could rip off or cut off. I'm gonna cut it off. There we go. Don't know if you could see that. Not like you care. Small and mighty. See? Alright, so we got that out. So now it's just the box, and I know there's a pull tab on the bottom. Alright, here it is. You can see the arrow. There we go. And then you just pull it across. I just hit the camera, sorry guys. Alright, I'm back. I fixed my whole problem. Alright, it's as easy as that. Alright, and then you just, look at that, that's magic. Alright, let's do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know what to expect here. Oh, it looks really nice, look at that. Let's look inside. I'm gonna move my lighting here a bit. Is that good? I think that looks good. I'll change the angle a bit of my camera. Oh, the focus is messing up. Okay, there we go. See, look at it's a soft, smooth material. I'm gonna just take it out. Shove the box to the side for now. So you can see it's all soft. Let's look at the bottom. Look at that Google logo. I honestly don't know what most of this stuff is. I'm pretty sure it's an on-off switch. That's to charge it. Or plug it in, I'm not sure. One of those. One of those things. So that's the Google Home Mini. So let's see if there's anything else in the package. Let's get started. Yes, shall we? Alright, so they just have your startup guide. Oh, there we go. Okay. Here's the thing I was expecting. So here it is. The part that you plug into the wall. Toss that aside. Alright, this is my first time seeing the little dots. Oh my god, that terrified me. Yeah, I don't know what it's doing.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, Google.
Your Google Home isn't set up yet. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Because I said, okay, Google, it thinks that I think it's set up. Okay, I'm gonna get it set up and then we're gonna try it. And I gotta figure out how to get this volume down. I'm not kidding when I say that I know almost nothing about this, but I just learned that if you tap on it, wait, let's do it again. You could change the volume by just tapping on it like this. Wait, that goes up. Wait, go back up. And then this goes down. So this side right here is down, that side's up. Let's turn it back up a little bit. There we go. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video, so thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. The Google Home seems very interesting and I plan to do a lot more with it, try a lot more features with it. So before I say goodbye, I want to let Google have a chance to say goodbye. Goodbye.
See you later, alligator.
Alright, so the Google Home Mini said, see you later, alligator. So guys, see you later, alligator. I hope to see you in the next video.